So, the one I'm wearing po, this is flower number 1. Mga madam, mag-shower naman tayo. Naliligo naman po tayo. Amoy ano to? Amoy perfume. Yan. Fold it, go get a plastic. Okay, ito flower number 1, mga madam. Ulitin ko. Flower number 1. Yan na. They're only 24 free size up to XL. They're cotton spandex. Cotton spandex po, okay? So, ito na lang. Flower number 1. Ito na lang po. Hello, Tita Jane. Good evening, Tita. You're still working, Tita Jane. Nice to see you here. So, flower number 1, black. Flower number 2, yung white. Same lang naman. Black and white, okay? Flower 1, flower 2. Tapos, ito na lang gawin kong flower 3. Flower number 3. And then, flower number 4. They're only $24. Free size up to XL. Cotton spandex po. So, this is flower number 4. And then, si Mickey. Mine, Mickey, they're all $24 po, okay? Premium cotton po, free size up to XL. So, mine, Mickey. Ay, ito si LV. Ang ganda nitong LV. Mine, LV. Done work. Yay! Makakapag-watch ka na, tita. And mine, LV white. Mine, LV white. Mine, LV white. They're only 24, all the blouses po. So, this is $24. Mine, LV white. Mine, Mickey. Mine, Mickey. Ayan. Para siyang pa LV yung Mickey niya. So, rhinestone si Mickey. So, mine, Mickey. Mine, LV. Diba? Ang gaganda ng mga shirt natin pang tops. Pwede to pang short, pang pants, pang skirt. So, mine, LV. Mine, Mickey. Mine, flower 4, flower 3, flower 2, and flower 1. They're only $24 po, mga madam, ha? $24 lang yung mga tops natin. Sayang, mga madam, kuha na kayo habang naka-sale. Habang naka-sale sila. Ito, mga tops natin. Ito, si Mew. Mew set. Mew na short set. Tag 35 po ito, ibibigay ko na lang to ng 32 set. Dati itong 37 pa nga ito, mga madam. Medyo mahal kay Matilda kasi sa mall. Kay Matilda ko to binili. So, if you want this one, I have black, white, and choco. Black, white, and choco for this one. Okay? Free size po ito up to XL.